Hi, ma'am and sir. Good morning. I am Jitian Sumilon. I'm 20 years old. I am applying for a caster. I have talent and skills like basketball, singing, and dancing. The company should hire me because of the capability to do, and I can be a good asset of your company. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Dana Riquizo Pareño, 21 years old, fresh graduate from Liceo de Davao Colleges. I am a honest-hearted and God-fearing person.
Hi sir, good morning. I am Magnokdang, 26 years old, applying for the position of manager. My talent and skills, basketball, volleyball, dancing, singing. The company should hire me because I want to serve. I want my willingness and serve the company.
Good morning, sir. I am Dana Riquizo Pareño, fresh graduate from Liceo de Davao with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. I am a honest-hearted and God-fearing person. That is why I continue to learn so that I can pass it to my student. I think that qualities would qualify me to be a good teacher because I'm also serious to my duties to thrive their knowledge.
Good morning, I am Precious Hope R. Mateo, 24 years old. I am applying for manager. My talent and skills are singing, cooking, dancing. The company should hire me because of my capabilities to do my task and I am responsible employee to your company. Thank you.
Good morning, Madam Sir. I am Jihada El Badruddin, 17 years old. I live in Carmen, North Cotabato. I was graduated at Liceo de Davao, Tagum City as a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education. My talent and skill is cooking, singing, and dancing. I'm applying for a position of secretary and the company should hire me because I have a capability to do my work and I am responsible and hardworking. That's all.
Hi, ma'am, sir, and sir. Good day. By the way, my name is Jeremy Ebasola, 20 years of age. I live in San Emilio Bulusan, Bangkal, Davao City. I am graduated at Liceo de Davao of Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have skills like cooking, singing, and dancing. The company should hire me because I have capabilities to do my task and I am a responsible employee. That could be all. Thank you.